Good morning, children. Let us continue the 9th standard maths lesson, linear equations in two variables. Today, let us study the new topic, graph of a linear equation in two variables. So, you can observe the graph here. The graph represents a straight line. Therefore, in a linear equation in two variables, the graph obtained will be a straight line. You can observe that the horizontal line represents the x-axis and the vertical line represents the y-axis. So, on the right side of the x-axis we have the positive values and the left side of the x-axis we have negative values. In the same way, the y-axis in which above the x-axis the y values are plotted with the positive sign and below they are plotted with the negative sign. The numbers are plotted with negative sign. A linear equation in two variables is represented graphically by a line whose points, you can see there are 2 points consisting in this graph which makes up a straight line. And these points are the solutions of the equation, and this is called as the graph of the linear equation. So to obtain a graph of a linear equation in two variables, it is enough to plot 2 points corresponding to two solutions and join them by a line. So in this graph only 2 points are plotted, but we can take more than 2 such points to check the correctness of the graph. Now let us study the equation of y-axis and z-axis. X equal to 0 is the equation of y-axis and y equal to 0 is the equation of x-axis. On the x-axis, we can observe that the y-coordinate of each point is 0. Therefore, every point on the x-axis will be in the form of x, 0. Similarly, we can observe that the equation of the y-axis is given by x equal to 0. To understand these concepts, children, now let us plot a graph. The first question, draw the graph of each of the following linear equation in two variables. So we have the first question now, x plus y equal to 4. Now, to obtain a graph, at least we need 2 points. To obtain 2 points from this equation, we have to form a table. This is a table in which we can write here x and y. Now, we have to put the values for x. Here, I have considered only the 2 values. But to plot a graph, we can take more than 2 values. Now, let me take first for x. Let us put x equal to 0. Since the graph is for linear equation in two variables, we have to substitute or put the values for both the variables. So the first value we have put now for x equal to 0. So when we substitute x equal to 0 in this equation, we will get the corresponding y value. In the next step, we will put the value of y is equal to 0. So that when we substitute y equal to 0 in this equation, we get the corresponding x value. Therefore, we will be getting 2 points to plot a graph. It is not that only we require 2 points to draw a straight line. We can take 2 or more than 2 points to draw a straight line. Now, I have considered x equal to 0. Therefore, now consider the equation we have x plus y equal to 4. Now, put x equal to 0 in this equation. So on substituting 0, 0 plus y equal to 4. Therefore, y will be equal to 4. Therefore, we have the first point, that is 0, 4. Now, we have taken y value is equal to 0. Therefore, put y value is equal to 0 in this equation. Therefore, x plus, since y value is equal to 0, equal to 4. Therefore, we get x, the value of x will be equal to 4. Substitute in this table. Therefore, the points we obtained in this equation are 0, 4 and 4, 0, where 0 represents x value, 4 represents the y value, and in this point 4 represents the x value and 0 represents the y value. So on substitution of x and y values, we need not take only 0. You can take any number of values. Now let us plot the graph using these 2 points. So now this is a graph sheet in which count the number of boxes. Here you can observe the small boxes, and from the middle take the x-axis, then y-axis. Therefore, the horizontal line represents the x-axis and the vertical line represents the y-axis. We know that the points, that is the line where x-axis and y-axis meet, is called as the origin, and it is represented here. It is 0. Next, these are 1 centimeter difference. So, the right side, it is a positive numbers. Left side, it is negative numbers are represented. Therefore, so we have represented the values like this. Let us plot the first point, that is 0, 4 in the graph. So here we have 0 on the x-axis and this is the y-axis. So 0, 4 comes here, the point. So mark here and write 0, 4 is the first point. The next point is 4, 0. So, first we have to plot the x value, that is 4. And 0 is in the straight line. So, the point will be here. So, this will be the 4, 0. So, now we got 2 points. Then, we have to join now 2 points such that we get a straight line. So, use a scale connecting these 2 points and draw a straight line extending to both the sides. Like this, you will get a straight line in linear equation in 2 variables. Then this represents the straight line with the 2 points, that is 0, 4 and 4, 0, and write the equation of this straight line, that is x plus y equal to 4 is the equation. Now we have to write a scale to this graph. That is, to write the scale, first we have to take x-axis. Now we have plotted the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by taking the difference of each value is 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter, since these are numbers, we will write it as 1 unit. Then come to the y-axis. Again, y-axis also we have taken with 1 centimeter difference. Therefore, 1 centimeter and these numbers represent unit and those are 1 unit. So, this is the scale and this is the straight line, which is the graph of the linear equation in 2 variables by taking 2 points. This is the answer for the first problem. Now children, if we apply this x value equal to 0 and y value equal to 4 in this equation, let us consider the equation x plus y equal to 4. We have taken x value is equal to 0 plus y value equal to 4. 0 plus 4 equal to 4. 4 equal to 4. So the values of the LHS and RHS values are same. Therefore 0, 4 and 4, 0 are the solutions of this linear equation x plus y equal to 4. So what the values we will apply for x or y, when substituted to the main equation, we have to get LHS and RHS values same. Then we can say that those points are the solutions of that equation. The second equation we have is 3 equal to 2x plus y. Now let us form a table and write x and y values. Now I have told we can take any values to x and y. So in this problem we will take x equal to 1. Now we will substitute in this equation, that is 3 equal to 2x plus y is the equation. Now put x equal to 1 in this equation. Therefore 3 equal to 2 into 1 plus y. 3 equal to 2 ones are 2 plus y. We need the y value. Therefore y equal to 3 minus 2. Therefore y value will be equal to 3 minus 2 will be equal to 1. Now right here we got the first point x comma y, that is 1 comma 1. Now linear equation in two variables. Therefore now let us put the values for y. So let us consider now the y value will be equal to minus 1. So now put y equal to minus 1 in the equation. Therefore 3 is equal to 2x plus, since y value we have taken minus 1, let us write it as minus 1. In the next step, 3 equal to 2x plus into minus, it is minus 1. Now 3 minus 1 while taking to the left side it becomes plus 1 will be equal to 2x. 3 plus 1 it is 4 equal to 2x. Now we need the values of x. X will be equal to 4 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 2s are 4. Therefore the value of x will be equal to 2. Now substitute here. Therefore we got the second point as 2 comma minus 1. Not only two values, we can take more than two values to plot a graph. Therefore the points in this equation are 1 comma 1 and 2 comma minus 1. Now using these points let us plot a graph. Now these are the values, positive, negative numbers and positive and negative numbers on the y-axis and x-axis. Therefore, we have written the scale for the x-axis. Since these are 1 centimeter and 1 unit difference, then y-axis we have 1 centimeter difference and these are represents 1 unit. Now let us plot a first point in the graph, that was equal to 1 comma 1. Therefore, so we have x here 1 and y here. Therefore this will be 1 comma 1 point. The next point is 2 comma minus 1. Therefore let us plot 2 comma minus 1 in the graph. So in the x-axis we have 2 here and minus 1 is here. Therefore the point is here 2 comma minus 1. Therefore here will be 2 comma minus 1. We got 2 points. Join these 2 points to form a straight line. Now use the scale that joins 2 points and draw a straight line and extend to both the sides, and this will be your straight line by these 2 points, and the equation of this straight line will be 3 equal to 2x plus y. This is the solution to this problem, whereas 1 comma 1 and 2 comma minus 1 will be the solution of the equation 3 equal to 2x plus y. So now let us substitute the x equal to 1 and y equal to 1 in this equation. Now we have 3 equal to 2x plus y. 3 equal to, the x value will be equal to 1 and y value will be equal to 1. Therefore 3 equal to 2 ones are 2 plus 1. 3 equal to 3. Therefore 1 comma 1 and 2 comma minus 1 both are the solutions of the equation 3 equal to 2x plus y. So children, this is the method of plotting a straight line in linear equation in two variables. This is of the lesson linear equations in two variables. Thank you.